By now, Southern Nevadans should realize grass doesn't belong in a lot of places. Non-functional, useless grass that only serves as decoration is a water guzzler, and to conserve water at Lake Mead, a new law has passed making this grass illegal. Businesses and HOAs watch this as the rebates to replace it are dropping soon. First, this new law doesn't apply to grass at single-family homes. Although we encourage you to replace your lawn with water-smart landscaping, if you do have it, you can keep it. This law is specifically aimed at shopping centers, office parks, and HOA communities with non-functional grass. It's along sidewalks and roadsides. It's grass with no recreational value and uses over 9.5 billion gallons of water per year, enough to fill the Luxor more than 26 times. If you have this grass, the deadline to replace it with desert-friendly landscaping is the end of 2026. If you wait, you'll be losing money. Right now, the Southern Nevada Water Authority is paying $3 per square foot to convert it to water-smart landscaping, which uses about 1/4 the water of grass. But in January 2025, the rebate is dropping from $3 to $2 a square foot. For larger properties, waiting will cost you thousands of dollars.
This property alone was $137,000.
Sun City Anthem in Henderson gets the gold star for removing non-functional grass and transforming water guzzlers into desert dazzlers. It's received about $400,000 of rebates for all its conservation efforts, replacing over 80,000 square feet of grass in the last 2 years alone, saving over 8 million gallons, and it's absolutely stunning.
Monarch butterflies you don't see very much. The year before I had 15, this year I had 30, and next year will be even more. So we've allowed Mother Nature to come back to us instead of just grass, and I think that's important.
The naysayers will argue that's fake, but come to the Anthem Community Center and you'll see it's real, including some grass, functional grass. Designated event spaces, pet relief areas, and parks are all considered functional and will stay. Sun City Anthem started removing its non-functional grass before the law was enacted, using the SNWA rebates, and now shine as community leaders in conservation.
We are nearing almost 300 million gallons of water saved. We've reduced our water usage on our total properties by almost 68% when it's all said and done. And the one thing that's also helped maintenance-wise, which people don't realize, there is a maintenance savings. This was walked on by a contractor 42 times a year. It's walked on now 5 times a year. But had we not made those steps, imagine what our water bill would have been and what our maintenance costs would have been. So it's a win-win for everyone.
Oasis Nursing and Rehab is also a recent grass-to-class conversion, replacing over 125,000 square feet of non-functional grass at its facility and receiving over $200,000 to do it. It'll save our community over 9 million gallons of water each year, adding some much-needed color in the process. We see all the comments on social media about your solutions, but action matters. Sustainability means less grass in the driest major city in the United States that's also a desert. Yes, it's hot in the summer. You live in the desert. You may as well get the maximum rebate while you still can. The details are all on snwa.com.
The sky's not falling, people. It's not. You can take and make this a beautiful, sustainable landscape. The crazy part about it is that this landscaping here, what we put in, will be here 50 years from now. I mean, it's for this climate. Fescue, this year in the heat, no matter how much water you put to it, it died.